In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a check register report in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing business finances, QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool that helps simplify tasks like tracking transactions, generating reports, and staying on top of your cash flow. One of the key reports you might need is the check register report, which provides a detailed view of all check transactions. This can be incredibly useful for reviewing payment histories, verifying data, or preparing for audits. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, check out the link in the description to get started. Now let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, begin by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand navigation panel and click on Reports. This will take you to the Reports section where you can access a wide range of financial and transactional data. Next, within the Reports section, locate and select the Standard tab. This is where you'll find a variety of pre-built reports designed to meet various business needs. At the top of the Standard tab, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type Check Details. QuickBooks will begin filtering the reports as you type, and you should see the Check Details report appear in the search results. Once you see it, click on the report to open it. Now, the Check Details report will load, displaying a detailed list of your check transactions. This includes essential information such as check dates, payees, accounts, and amounts. Take a moment to review the data and ensure you're looking at the correct information. To refine the report further, you can adjust the time period to match your needs. Near the top of the report, there's an option to select a date range. Click on this, and you'll see options like last month, year to date, or even the ability to set a custom range. Choose the time frame that best fits the transactions you want to analyze. Once you've set the date range, carefully verify that the report populates with the expected check transactions. If you notice that the report seems empty or incomplete, double-check the dates of the check entries to ensure they fall within the selected time period. Adjusting the date range might resolve any discrepancies. And that's it. You've successfully created and reviewed a check register report in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.